Hey y'all, today we're going to show you how we make a ham, broccoli, and cheese casserole in our slow cooker.
All while having a whole lot of fun.
Oh, that's why I blow. What's that? Hi, welcome back to another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes with the good old boy. And today we're cooking up another dish straight from recipes.crock.com. That's my beautiful wife's cooking vlog. And today we're going to make some breakfast. We're going to make a hearty breakfast, a delicious breakfast, mainly because we have some leftover ham and we need to do something with it. And so we are going to make... ham and broccoli cheese casserole, which is one of my favorite breakfast casseroles. This, when we were on the road, she would make this, and it was a great breakfast to get us started, especially before we would hike and do things like that. So,
yes.
Gosh, we're going to make ham and broccoli cheese casserole. It's almost like we're gearing up to go out again. Hint, hint, shh, don't tell.
Well, but we're probably out by the time this goes out, aren't we?
Are we out by the time this goes out?
We might be.
We might already be out. You don't know.
No.
Well, if you're a member of our patrons over at Patreon, you'll know.
Yes, or if you watch our travel vlogs when they upload, then you'll know.
Then you'll know too. So, but hey, if you still want to be a part of Patreon, we won't stop you. But this is what you're going to need for the recipe. The following ingredients include 10 eggs that have been beaten. You want 1 bag, 12 ounces of frozen broccoli florets that have had some time to thaw. You don't want to cook them. You don't want them frozen. Right in the middle. So what I would do is when you're starting to put this dish together and beat your eggs and chop your ham and everything else, just set your bag of broccoli out. It'll be thawed up just fine. You want to have a cup to 2 cups depending on your preference of ham, but I've got some diced up ham here. We have leftover ham from another recipe that we did. If you want to go ahead and get the diced ham that's already diced up in the store.
Oh, we made it that way too.
Be my guest. Oh yeah, we've totally cheated that way. It's okay. Mm-hmm. You also want to have 1/2 of a small yellow onion chopped up. You want 1 cup of heavy cream. You want a 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. You want a 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese that has been divided into a 1/2 cup and a cup. And then you also want to have 1 tablespoon of melted butter. And you want salt and pepper to taste. Totally your preference how much you want. First thing you want to do is
pour in the butter to butter your slow cooker.
Yep. So you get her all like a steering wheel. And then you want to put in your eggs. Hang on, she's still steering.
Yes.
Go ahead with your eggs.
Alrighty. We're just gonna pour them in.
Your ham and your onion?
Yes.
I got that. Teamwork's always good.
Yes. And you just want to spread it out so that every bite will have a little bit of ham and a little bit of
Which we're going to mix that up here in a minute.
Oh, okay.
The one who made the recipe.
I'm just saying, here's the deal. Like, I've made this so much from memory, I just kind of
throw it together
do
now.
as I say, not as I do.
So, onions. You want to use this?
Yeah.
Okay, she can use her hand. Take twice as long. That's okay. You're just going to sit there and watch her do it. This is the woman in her natural habitat.
Funny. You're so funny.
Alright, and then next is your 1/2 cup. Save your full cup of cheese. Put your 1/2 cup of cheese in there.
Something's making noise back there.
Right now it's you. There's your cheese right in there. And your cream. And your parm. And give her a stir. And again, like she said, just to make sure that everything is kind of all mixed together. Actually, I think I did it backwards. I think we were supposed to put the ham and onion in and broccoli in last and then stir it up, but it's going to be okay. Because this is a throw and go recipe.
Yeah.
And this is a bag that does not want to hold.
Do not spray the kitchen with broccoli.
Maybe if I got
Do we need to add our salt and pepper now, or are you waiting until after the broccoli?
Oh, I'd add a little bit of salt and pepper now.
Okay.
Just, here, once you put in the broccoli. I'll put in the pepper.
We're really coordinated today. And it's very important Or it is,
And
at least to my preference, that we use broccoli florets.
Yes.
And not chopped broccoli, because then it just has a different texture to it. If you like chopped broccoli, that's all right.
We're not going to stop you.
No, but I particularly like the broccoli florets. So you salted this already?
I've already salted it. I've
Okay.
peppered it. And
Okay.
you're good. You're
Yep.
doing good.
So
And
you
then,
just want a little bit of everything in each bite.
and then the last thing you want to do is take your cheese and sprinkle it over the top. I just kind of took your job, didn't I?
Yeah, it's okay.
That's all right. You take a break. You've been working really hard on this recipe. But yeah, just take your other cup of cheese, your shredded cheddar cheese, and sprinkle it over top. And then as that cooks up, that cheese is going to melt down into that egg and ham and onion and broccoli.
Yes.
So when you get done, it's going to look real pretty, really colorful, and if I don't bang stuff out on the floor, it's going to look just like that.
Real pretty.
And now, you want to put a lid on it, and you want to cook it for...
I would say, is it on high? You're looking at me like you don't
For
know.
somebody that's put this
I
recipe
cook it-
so many times.
I just cook it on high until it's set in the middle. So I usually cook them on high depending on which slow cooker I have.
For 1 to 3 hours.
I was going to say an hour to 90 minutes is how much our slow cookers usually take.
Until it's set up.
He's giving me grief. He's giving me grief.
Cook it until your eggs are set up.
This one usually takes about 90 minutes.
Yeah. The Ninja, I think it only takes about an hour.
Well,
hour
it just
15.
depends.
Depends on your slow cooker. That's
Yep.
why we say 1 to 3 hours.
Yes.
Because we don't know what kind of slow
Yes,
cooker
because
you
a
got.
traditional slow cooker will probably cook it a little bit slower.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the time, unless yours cooks really
What about
hot.
a casserole crock?
Casserole crock, it's really up in the air. It all depends. It's that center has to get done. So, but
And
you
we'll show
can
you.
cook it in there.
We'll show you what this one looks like when it's done in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, our casserole should be done. So let's
Yes.
check it
You
out.
know how you check it?
You make sure that cheese is melted. Oh, you did a jiggle?
Yep.
Look at that.
Yep.
Nothing soupy in the middle of that, yo. So I'll go in. I really want that big hunk of broccoli right there, so I'm going to go right here.
Are you? Now this will set up even more if you let it cool after you get done cooking.
Yes.
But we never wait like that.
No. And we
Usually in the
hardly
morning,
have-
everybody's like, "Is it ready?"
We might have just enough for one batch of leftovers when we make something like this on the road.
Yeah.
It goes quick. It's that good.
Yes.
But check it out. See how the cheese... Where you at? There we are.
Yeah.
See how the cheese is melted down on top of that? But still, look at that broccoli. It's not like crumbly, fall
Doesn't
apart.
mush.
Of course, you got... Look at that. You got some ham right in there. We got... I'll expose the ham. Oh, yeah. That looks like it's going to be some good stuff. So,
Here we
bon
go.
appetit.
Here we go.
That's French for eat it, I think. You know, here's the thing, is somebody from France is going to comment down below and say, that is not what we say, nor does that what it means.
And that is not a good accent.
No,
is
not a
what
very
they're
good
gonna
French
say.
accent.
Oh. Oh.
That's why I blow. What's that? She forgot to blow on it.
It's hot. It's really good, but it's hot.
The ham is good. Of course, the eggs. Plenty of protein in this. The broccoli adds a crunch to it. And it's juicy. But it's not, like I said, it's not fall apart mushy either. It's perfect.
No. It's just got a nice, yummy flavor.
And then, of course, cheese on top.
I'm
You
not-
can't go wrong. You can put cheese on just about anything and make it taste good.
The onion just adds an extra layer to it.
Makes it savory.
That. Yes. So this is like a nice little casserole. It would be great for a holiday morning. It's good for, like, we usually take our Ninja or one of our slow cookers that can cook multiple kinds of things with us when we travel, even when we're in a hotel on the beach. And I would whip something like this up there too.
Yep.
So
Good stuff.
great.
If you're a trucker, now you got breakfast.
There you go.
Yeah. We got any more truckers out there? I know we had a few. Mm-hmm. And in the comments down below, are you a trucker? Hey, we thank you guys for watching. If you like what you're seeing, give us a like down below. And also, if you've not become a member of the Crock Posse, make sure you click that little subscribe button down below and shazam, you're now a member of the Crock Posse. Click the little bell. Yeah, shazam.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the cleaning cloth or whatever.
Click the bell next to it called the ding-a-ling, and it'll let you know as soon as we have a new recipe up. And whatever y'all do, make sure that you laugh often.
Eat good food.
Speak life.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Shazam. Or was it? That's not the name of it, is it? It's ShamWow. We see the man in his habitat. So you don't care about the ingredients being seen now?
No, I want the ingredients seen if possible.
But I thought that's what that camera's for.
Well, there's a slow cooker in the way.
Does that work or no? No, it's fine.
No. You came downstairs 2 seconds ago. I put this whole thing together, and now you're gonna mess it up.
So do I need to go back upstairs? I thought they like it whenever you dump it in.
I can't. You can't have it both ways.
Are you gonna do these dishes sometime?
I'm gonna do this. We're gonna use a paper plate. We're getting fancy.
Fine China.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.